लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अगर ये भी हम सोचेंगे तो फिर लोग क्या सोचेंगे। दिस इज़ वेरी ट्रू एंड दिस हैज़ a very deep meaning. You must understand that what people will say will not determine what I am. Anybody can say whatever they want, anybody can do whatever they want, but I will remain the same because I have not given this privilege to anyone that someone can make me happy or unhappy. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Somendra Kumar. First of all, happy new year to every one of you. Though it's too late, but no matter. I hope every day will be new, happy and prosperous for every one of us. And I also hope that this year turns out to be better than the previous year, as we have faced lots of difficulties, COVID and all. And may this year bless you with health, wealth, prosperity, happiness and everything that you want in your lives. Today we are here to discuss about one of the heated topics of every new year, that is the new year resolution. As everyone wants to make that, but very few of them end up making that, and among those also very few are able to continue till the end of the year. So we gonna discuss that, and I assure you that most of you will be able to correlate with that, as once in your lifespan you might have faced this problem, and some of you might be still facing this problem. So without being late, let's get started. So my resolution for this year is to overcome my fear of being judged by the people. Generally it happens with most of the people, and I suppose with everyone it happens, that whenever we want to do anything or whenever we want to start anything new, then certain thoughts start entering our minds, that what people will think about me, or what people will think, what people will comment on it. These type of useless things we used to think upon. And even when we dress up, we used to think upon that, okay, how my clothes are looking, what people will think about me, or what they will comment on me. Why to think these things? What will it result into? And you have seen that some of the parents, I am talking about Indian parents, they used to think upon whenever they are taking decisions related to their children, that okay, if my child will do this, then what people in the society will think about me. Why to think these things? Instead of thinking about the future of your child, you are thinking about that what people will think. Why? This seems very ridiculous, yaar. Where you should think about your children, you are thinking about the people of the society. Why? And I tell you that this is very ridiculous mindset, that people want that for remaining in the good books of the people, you are thinking about nurturing and developing your relationship with them. In today's world, people are busy in expecting from the people. They will keep on expecting some or the other things from you, and you will have to decide that whether you want to fulfill their expectations or you want to do your own stuff. And if you begin to fulfill their expectations, then even after knowing that you will not be able to fulfill all the expectations of all the people, then it will take you into a load of trouble, I tell you, because this is a very vicious cycle. So try to get out of this as early as possible, so that because the more you will delay this process, the more you will get entrapped in it. So why to get trapped in it? According to me, you should keep all these things aside and do your own stuff. You must understand that what people will say will not determine what I am. Anybody can say whatever they want, anybody can do whatever they want, but I will remain the same because I have not given this privilege to anyone, that someone can make me happy or unhappy. And I suppose that you should also do the same, because why to give control of our life to someone else who has nothing to do with it? Why to change ourselves according to others' opinion? It is your own life. we will decide whether you want to control your life by yourself or you want someone else to control your life. And if you are unable to do this, it means that you are being overpowered by others' opinion. So look into it. The more you will care about what people will think, the more they will own you. So you will have to decide by yourself that whether you want to be the puppet of other people or you want to be yourself. According to me, you should try and decide by yourself only that what you want out of your life. Disregard what others think of you or what others want from you. It is your own life. You will decide that what you want and how you want to live your life. Once you begin to do this, you will see that now you have your control over your life and you will start living your life to the fullest. So go and do this and make it great. Don't waste your time in these useless things. You must understand that if you are worrying about what others will think or what people will think, then my friend, you need to worry that why you are worrying what people will think. Why? Ask yourself. In Hindi we guys used to say that लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अगर ये भी हम सोचेंगे तो फिर लोग क्या सोचेंगे. This is very true and this has a very deep meaning. Previously I also went through same things, and sometimes now also I face same things, but now I have managed to overcome this and now it's all fine. So as you are already seeing this video, so I hope that you will also be able to do the same. You will also be able to overcome this, your fear. There is a very famous saying that better to be loved by few people you care about than liked by everyone else. In fact, those people who matter to you will probably not judge you, and those who will judge you will probably don't matter to you, and you also don't matter to them. So there is nothing to worry about. Just keep in mind that saying, that will help you and that will always motivate you. Actually, I have kept 2 resolutions for this year. The first one I have already discussed, and the second one is to follow that resolution till the end of the year. As it is easy to keep resolution or make resolution, but it is difficult to follow these resolutions which we make till the last of the year. So this second resolution will help me to be motivated to follow the first resolution that I made for myself. And I will advise you that you should also keep the second resolution for yourself. That's all I had for you today. Wish you all the best for the year 2021 ahead.